Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen here on YouTube, and I'm sitting outside TJ Maxx. It's January 2023, and I'm here for their famous yellow tag clearance sale. That's when they put an additional yellow tag clearance sticker on their already clearanced items. They have it in January and in August. I've made these videos before. I try and shop the sale to find stuff, to shop retail arbitrage, to sell things on eBay and Poshmark for profit. So let's go in and see what they have. And I'll be sure to share my tips because you want to be careful at these sales. We have a Free People top for only 10 bucks, but it's pretty plain, so I'm going to pass on that. I don't do much with Tommy Hilfiger or Anne Klein or Tahari. I do like this Zara for only $8, a long Barbie pink cardigan. So I'm considering that, but not a definite yes. $16 for this really nice 100% linen white top. Maybe for myself I'm considering that, but not for resale. And we have some Michael Kors for $18. Okay, I really don't want to leave this. It's a Free People poncho. It's only 20 bucks. It's fuzzy, it's huge, it's oversized, as an Aztec print. It's like everything that I think would sell. But there are people that have it listed on eBay right now for $29. So I have to pass, but I'm surprised by that. Normally I would pick that up in a heartbeat. Okay, I was kind of striking out, but I'm doing well in the dresses. They have such loud music on, so I'm going to have to do a voiceover, unfortunately, but some interesting, good brands I'm finding so far. A lot of sifting through stuff that I'm not interested in. Look at this, it's so cute. Oh, Free People, $26, size XL. Oh my god, that's so great. I gotta put that in the cart. It's like a long sweater dress and Free People XL. Do you ever find that? Look at that. I do not ever find that. It's so rare. Some of these don't have the new tags on them, so that's a little bit of an issue, but I just have to list them as new without tags or pre-owned. And then there's this. I'm finding this amazing stuff like Faithful the brand, and then that. Mara Hoffman. Let me look this one up. Let's see, this was originally, it's a swim top. They had it at $169, now it's $54. I've never found this brand. I don't think it really counts as finding it at TJ Maxx, does it? Wow, I've never seen Mara Hoffman even. Oh my god, so good. Okay, wait until you see these brands. I'm so excited that I found these. This is a midi dress from the brand Faithful the brand, which I've never found before. It's $26. Really cute style on that. So that's going in the cart. And then this, the Couples, another brand I've heard a lot about. It's only $15 for this silky dress. And then you'll recognize this right away. New with tag, Johnny Was for $79, a velvet embroidered tunic. This was an extra small, so I did not get it, but if it was probably any other size, I would have snapped it up for myself in a heartbeat. It's a little too expensive for resale. What do we have here? I recognize this as Patricia Nash. I've never seen Patricia Nash at a store like TJ Maxx. This was originally $165 and they have it for $59.99. Absolutely gorgeous, usually tooled leather, and it sells amazingly well. I'm considering one of these for myself, but honestly, I couldn't decide which one because they're all so gorgeous. Okay, so I found several rounders in the back that were all yellow tag clearance. So this is Current Elliott denim jacket. It's a very expensive denim brand, and this is only $19 for a new with tag Current Elliott. but I'm still gonna pass on it because it just does not move quickly for me. So this is interesting. This is Desigual. I think that's how you say it. When I first started reselling 10 years ago, this was like a hot brand. It is expensive. I've never seen denim. I've seen more like tops. Some Free People jeans. These are a size 25 curvy. Did you guys know they did this curvy line? 19 bucks. I'm not buying a size 25, but I would consider those if they were a larger curvy, like a size 12 curvy, because I think people are looking for curvy. This is a brand, a denim brand called Good American. It used to sell so great for me a handful of years ago. These are a size 14 and they're still at $43, but they were originally $169. But comps have really changed on this brand, so I'm gonna leave these behind. Here's another great denim brand, Adriana Goldschmied, or AG. These are only $26. They were originally $175. All right, it's time to sort through my cart and see what I'm gonna take and what I'm gonna leave behind for sure. This is Free People Movement, and this is only $10. It's long sleeve, it has the cutout back, so I'm gonna take that. It's still my best-selling brand. Faithful the brand. I'll pop up some comps, but I think this is a great deal at $21. I think I can make a good profit on that, so I'm going to take that one. Oh, this is House of Harlow. There was tons of it here, and the comps are really good. I paid $26 for this because it's new with tag, and it's a long, romantic cottagecore style maxi. It's tiered, so I think I'll make a good profit on that, even paying up. I'm excited to find this brand, the Couples. Have you ever found it? Let me know in the comments. Comps are really great on this, and for only $15, that is a big yes. Free People, a maxi. That's a fantastic style, and it's an XL. I would not have paid up for this if it was a size extra small, but extra large is very rare and hard to find in the brand, so I'm confident on this one. This is House of Harlow again. I've gone back and forth on this one. I think I'm gonna leave the poncho. A Free People sweater top for 10 bucks. I just don't think it's substantial enough. Now, these sweater knit pants also in a size XL. So you'll notice a theme. If I can get a cool style and a great size, I'm gonna grab it. I found stock photos for these. These are the harem pants, and I'm gonna pay $26 for them, but I have a feeling I can sell them and still make $20 or $30 profit on those. Okay, well, that started out kind of slow. I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna find anything here. I thought Marshall's was better, and then I hit the dress section and I found some brands that I have not found before, so that was really fun. My total was $137, which is funny because my total at my Marshall's yellow tag clearance sale was $140. So without meaning to, I guess I must be staying in the $140 range. But I think I'll make really good profits on some of those items. A couple tips that I want to give right off is check comps, because you're spending more money on your items, so you don't want to have all that money out of your business. And it's not like a $5 thrift store risk. It might be a $30 risk. So check comps, and also check to see if the item you're interested in, how many people have it listed? Is the market already flooded? Because maybe that Free People dress went to every TJ Maxx and Marshalls and Ross around the country, and there's 35 of them listed. So I like to check comps. I like to check and see how flooded the market is. I like to check and see whether the item has its new brand tags, not just the TJ Maxx or Marshalls tag, but the new brand tag. And I always try and stick with larger sizes. Since you're spending more money, you just want to be a little bit more careful. So hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you've caught one of these yellow tag sales. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.